Okay, something fundamental has just changed. We are living through a moment in artificial intelligence that is completely rewriting the rules for technology, for business, and honestly, for society itself. We're at a tipping point, and what's on the other side is a $10 trillion revolution. And no, that $10 trillion figure isn't just some made up number. It's a real forecast from Huawei, of all places, for a totally new kind of economy, one that's powered by an intelligence that's going to reshape the internet as we know it.
Get this. In this new economy, it's projected there will be 9 billion AI agents. That's right, more autonomous, thinking agents than there are people on the entire planet. Let that sink in for a second.
Now, with all of this chaos, all these insane headlines flying around, there is one single fundamental shift that actually connects everything. And if you stick with me through this explainer, I'm going to reveal the one secret that the winners in this new world are betting absolutely everything on.
So, why does everything feel like it's moving so fast you can't keep up? Well, it's because it is. The pace of AI development has genuinely accelerated beyond human comprehension. It really feels like the ground is just disappearing from under our feet.
I mean, just look at this. OpenAI recently showed off its new desktop app, and the big deal isn't just that it writes better emails. No, it has native computer use. This thing can literally see your screen, click around, navigate software, and use your apps just like a person would. We're moving way beyond simple suggestions into full-blown workflow automation. And just as the software is getting scarily smart, the hardware is getting exponentially faster and cheaper. NVIDIA's next-gen Rubin platform, it's on track to make training and running these powerful AI models up to 10 times cheaper. The engine of this whole revolution is getting a rocket booster strapped to it. You know, this feeling is so real. It's been perfectly captured in a viral essay that frames this whole moment as a societal disruption bigger than COVID. And that really hits home, doesn't it? It captures the sheer scale of the change we're all trying to wrap our heads around. So what happens when you get this kind of explosive, borderline uncontrollable acceleration? Well, you get an arms race. And this isn't just about one company or one country anymore. This is a high-stakes, multi-front war. You can see the battle lines being drawn. On one side, you have OpenAI signing a pretty controversial deal to put its models to work for the Pentagon. But on the other side, you've got a top competitor, Anthropic, reportedly refusing to do certain military work and potentially leaving billions of dollars on the table. This is a huge strategic and, frankly, ethical split right at the very top. But this arms race isn't just happening out in the open. Behind the scenes, a staggering 78% of companies are secretly building their own internal AI tools. They're calling this shadow AI. And it means your biggest competitor might not be who you think it is. It might actually be your own customer's in-house team. And of course, with all this power comes incredible risk. Cybersecurity experts are making a pretty terrifying prediction that very soon, nearly every single cyber attack is going to be powered by AI. The stakes are just getting unbelievably high. So this brings it all home, right to your doorstep. With AI that can do entire jobs and companies building all their own tools, the question is everywhere. Is traditional software dead? And are the jobs that depend on it obsolete? Okay, let's just break this down. The old world of software, it was all about features, dashboards, and clicks. The new world, it's about outcomes and automation. Your competition used to be other software companies. Now, it could be your client's own internal AI team. And the whole point isn't just user growth anymore. It's about delivering real, measurable resilience. Yeah, the old rules are officially dead. Okay, so that's the problem, that's the chaos. But I promise there is a way to navigate this. The solution isn't just to, slap an AI feature onto your product. No, it's about adopting a completely new mindset. So let's get into the playbook. The first and most important piece of this whole puzzle is a concept called Agentic AI. We're talking about AI systems that you don't have to micromanage. You just give them a high-level goal, and they figure out all the complex, multi-step tasks to get it done, all on their own. See, for years, we've been operating in the old way. We gave AI really simple step-by-step commands. Click this, write that, analyze this data point. We were telling it what to do. But now we're shifting to a world where we just tell the AI what to achieve. Things like repurpose this long video for all my social channels, or analyze our sales data from last quarter and build me a presentation on the key findings. You just state the outcome. The AI agent handles the entire process. And this is not going to stay trapped on our screens. The next frontier is physical AI. We're talking about embedding these autonomous agents into actual robots. Companies like Honor are already making plans to release consumer humanoid robots. This is automation moving from our keyboards into our homes, our factories, and our offices. So what's the playbook? Here it is. Step 1. Start thinking in outcomes, not tasks. What do you actually want to achieve? Step 2. Focus on integrating AI across all the tools you already use to create these seamless, automated workflows. And step 3. Start preparing for a world where these AI agents are operating in the physical world around you. And that brings us right back to the secret I promised you at the start. The one big idea that connects the $10 trillion market, the 9 billion agents, and all the chaos in between is this. The future is outcome-oriented. The winners in this new world won't be the ones selling better tools, they'll be the ones selling guaranteed results. This is obviously a massive, massive shift, and we are all living right in the middle of it. So that brings me to our question of the day. When you look at all of this, agentic AI, physical robots, all of it, which trend are you most excited about? Or maybe which one are you most worried about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's talk about it.